Stand by for dispatch. Gates open, that up and racing. We have number 1 Blue Shake moving up. The Surgeon, Bagong Silang running in between runners. Then moving up party outside is Spellbinder. Then Peace and Love by the rail is Stormtrooper running down on the inside as they rounded the last 600. Bagong Silang being joined by the Surgeon in second. Then racing in third, Durango. Running in fourth is Spellbinder. Followed over by Mapagtiis. Then running by the rail is Peace and Love. Then by the rail is Stormtrooper as they race at the final corner. Bagong Silang still leading the field. Running on the outside now is Spellbinder as they race to the last 150. Spellbinder now takes the lead over Bagong Silang, the Surgeon. And with 50 meters more to run, it's going to be Spellbinder. Bagong Silang, the Surgeon, Mapagtiis, Ideal View, Stormtrooper, Peace and Love.